Freshness, Alaska! Well, super.
Sandy Coffee tonight. 57-49. Naman pa rin ang Sandy Coffee. Sonny's double team. Gets the ball up. Tony De La Cruz. Breakaway!
Boss.
Off the double team. Great pass coming from Sonny Todd. Recognition. And so Alaska pulls within 5 points. 57-52. 2.5 na natitira dito sa third. And that play was interrupted by Robert Dozier. Wala pa rin ang Sandy Coffee. They have Fingris, Baroka, Simon, Joe DeBads, and Denzel Bowles. And that play interrupted that time by Cyrus Baguio. We mentioned about the defense ng Alaska dito sa ating third period, forcing 6 turnovers against Sandy Coffee, while Alaska only 1 error.
Sanmig.
DJ goes right. Joe has the ball. Shot knocked out to three. Back Joe, the Vans.
Go, Sanmig! Go, Sanmig!
But not quite for Cyrus Baguio. That'll be last
People,
touch on
points!
Mark Fingers. What about JBV? Here in the hitter.
Guwapas sa mata.
Not only getting points for himself, pasapasahan.
Pasapasahan.